We are back with more practice SAT problems. These practice SAT problems are coming from practice exams that are posted through the College Board website. So you are free to get access to any of these. You just have to go to the College Board website. So the first problem we're going to do is right here, and it gives us a set of data. And it says, what is the median of the data set shown? So our numbers that we have are 4, 10, 18, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 5. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets of data, or 8 data points. So the first thing that we need to do, the median means middle. So in the middle of this data set, going from least to greatest. So the very first thing we have to do is actually list it from least to greatest. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this list of numbers, and I've got 4, 10, 18, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5. Even though there's more than one, like there's 3 4s and there's 2 5s, I am still going to list each one of those from least to greatest. And you'll see why, because we're going to then count in from the outside to see which one's in the middle. But something that a lot of people forget is that you first need to put them in order from least to greatest. Anytime you need to look at a data set, I would just go ahead and order it least to greatest. The only time you don't need to is if you're looking for the mean or the mode, but it's usually a pretty good first step. So I have 4, 4, 4. So I like to mark these off as I write them down. So we have 5, 5, 6, and 18. 6, 10, 18. All right. So now I know that I do have 8 sets of data, but regardless, I'm going to then count in until my fingers meet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at 5 and 5. So that's in the center. So what I do is when there's 2 numbers that are in the center, like this 5 and 5, I would average them together. Now in this case, since they're both 5, the median is just 5. So that would be B. If these were 2 different numbers, I would average those together. I would add them up and divide by 2 and get the middle. But since they're the same number, 5 plus 5 is 10, divided by 2 is 5, they're the same number, the average between the two is the same number. That's mathed up.